What's going on? What's going on? Lurik O'Shea here, music creator, educator, and entrepreneur, and I'm back with you. Another video in Motion 5. Cool. Now, the other thing that we can change when we go to properties, if we don't like how wide or the actual shape of our analyzer, we can begin to change that as well. So I'm gonna click on original line. So the outline, so we at right now we have the width set at 20. If we turn that up, you know, it get, it looks like a big blob. And that may be what you want, maybe not. So I'm gonna turn my width was 20 at first. I'm gonna change my width to 15. Okay. So I like that a little bit more. My width is good. Now if we wanted to, we can even right now they seems like the different frequency ranges are too similar. So of course we can come back into our frequency analyzers and we can, change the random seed generator. So we can come in here. I'm going to go to my search box down here, type in random, and then I'm going to click on all my randomized options, and I'm going to refresh the seed. Now the amount and the frequency, you can change all that as well. So all right, so I'm gonna put my frequencies at 10. All right, just for my treble. So it's a lot of things you can do. I'm just showing you the basics. It's kind of up to you and your creativity and your experimentation on tweaking things to make them just the way you like it. Now, you might even feel like, you know what, it's too many lines in there. So if you wanted to, once again, you can change the amount of lines that is in there. Okay, so if I go to one of my frequency ranges. So I'm going to start with the first one, high treble. And the points are set to 10. If I feel like that's too much, I can change it. So I'll change that to 7. So I'll go through every one and I'll change my points to 7. So I'm just going through, and so we're just making it a little bit smaller. So upper mids, mid mids, right? And you can tweak it according to taste. So thank y'all for tuning in to these video series. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.